Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a cloud sync on iPad. First, let's run the sync wizard. We go to the cloud icon on our top right corner. On the question mark, we invoke the cloud sync wizard. This is to make sure that everything is in order. So we go next and make sure that every check mark is here. Now we finish and then we go to settings, general, and the option for local backups. The third option is backup now. We hit it and then we get a backup successful message. And then we go back to the cloud icon, options, and hit restore from cloud. Delete and restore. And we get all information back from the cloud. If some information is missing, what we can do is go to settings, general, local backups, and go for restore. Here we have the option to restore from the local files that we just created. Hope this is very helpful. Have a nice day!